Welcome back, blending enthusiasts. It's time to kickstart your blending journey with our latest video, Best Bullet Blenders 2023. So get ready to power up your kitchen with these compact and mighty blending machines. Join us as we dive into the world of bullet blenders and uncover the best features that will make your blending experience a breeze. At first, we have the NutriBullet Pro. The NutriBullet Pro takes the crown as the best bullet blender of 2023. This compact yet powerful blender is designed to extract maximum nutrition from your ingredients and deliver smooth and delicious blends with ease. Equipped with a high-torque power base and a 900-watt motor, the NutriBullet Pro effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and seeds, turning them into nutrient-rich smoothies and shakes. The stainless steel extractor blades spin at incredible speeds, breaking down tough ingredients and extracting every last bit of goodness. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Pro is its convenient single-serve cup design. Simply load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, and place it onto the power base. Within seconds, you'll have a perfectly blended and nutrition-packed drink ready to go. The cup also doubles as a travel container, allowing you to enjoy your smoothie on the go without any additional mess or hassle. With its intuitive design, the NutriBullet Pro is incredibly easy to use. There are no complicated settings or buttons to navigate. Simply press down on the cup to start the blending process and release to stop. This user-friendly operation makes it perfect for beginners and busy individuals who want to incorporate healthy blends into their daily routine without any fuss. Next is the Ninja QB3001 SS. With its impressive power and versatile performance, this blender is a game-changer in the world of blending. Featuring a 700-watt motor, the Ninja QB3001 SS effortlessly pulverizes ingredients, delivering smooth and consistent blends every time. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or even ice, this blender tackles tough ingredients with ease, creating silky smooth textures that will leave you impressed. One of the key features of the Ninja QB3001 SS is its unique stackable blade design. This design allows for precise and efficient blending, ensuring that every ingredient is thoroughly blended for optimal taste and texture. The stackable blades also make cleaning a breeze since you can easily detach them from the blending cup for thorough washing. Speaking of blending cups, the Ninja QB3001 SS comes with a variety of cup sizes, including single-serve cups and larger capacity cups. This means you can customize your blending experience based on your needs, whether you're making a quick morning smoothie or preparing a batch of refreshing beverages for the whole family. The blender is also equipped with convenient features like a pulse function and a no-slip base, ensuring that you have complete control over the blending process and that the blender stays securely in place during operation. The compact and space-saving design of the Ninja QB3001 SS is an added bonus, making it a great choice for those with limited countertop space. Bella 13984. The Bella 13984 Bullet Blender is a standout choice for those seeking a compact and efficient blending solution in 2023. Despite its small size, this blender packs a punch and offers impressive performance for all your blending needs. With a 250-watt motor, the Bella delivers reliable blending power that can tackle a wide range of ingredients. From fruits and vegetables to nuts and seeds, this blender effortlessly blends them into smooth and consistent textures, making it perfect for creating delicious smoothies, sauces, and more. It features a convenient single-serve blending cup, allowing you to prepare your blends directly in the cup. Simply load your ingredients, attach the blending blade, and twist it onto the base. With a simple press and hold of the cup, you can activate the blending process, and within seconds, you'll have a perfectly blended drink ready to enjoy. The cup is also designed for on-the-go convenience, as it comes with a spill-proof lid, making it easy to take your blends with you wherever you go. Plus, cleaning the Bella is a breeze. The blending cup, lid, and blade assembly are all dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and hassle-free cleanup. This ensures that you can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your creations. Moving on, we have the NutriBullet NBR-0601, a popular and reliable bullet blender that continues to be a top choice for blending enthusiasts in 2023. With its powerful motor and user-friendly design, this blender is perfect for those looking to create healthy and delicious blends with ease. Equipped with a 600-watt motor, the NutriBullet NBR-0601 effortlessly breaks down fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, extracting their essential nutrients and delivering smooth and nutrient-rich drinks. The high-torque power base ensures efficient blending, allowing you to achieve consistent results every time. This NutriBullet features a unique extraction blade design that optimizes nutrient extraction from your ingredients. The sharp stainless steel blades work in combination with the cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients and blend them into a smooth and velvety texture. This ensures that you can enjoy the full nutritional benefits of your ingredients in every sip. The blender comes with two different cup sizes, a 24-ounce and an 18-ounce cup, allowing you to choose the perfect serving size for your needs. The cups are made from durable BPA-free materials and come with convenient resealable lids, making them ideal for on-the-go use. Simply blend your ingredients directly in the cup, twist on the lid, and you're ready to take your blends wherever your day takes you. Another highlight of this Nutribullet NBR-0601 is its simplicity. With its one-touch operation, blending has never been easier. Simply load your ingredients, twist on the extractor blade, and place the cup onto the power base. With a quick press and twist, the blender will start blending, allowing you to achieve your desired consistency in seconds. Next up, we have the Ninja BN-401, an exceptional bullet blender that stands out as one of the top choices for blending enthusiasts in 2023. With its powerful performance, versatile design, and intelligent features, this blender is a game-changer in the world of blending. Featuring a robust 1,200-watt motor, this BN-401 delivers impressive blending power that can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. From frozen fruits and vegetables to ice, this blender pulverizes them effortlessly, resulting in smooth and consistent blends every time. Plus, its total crushing technology. This technology utilizes a unique blade design that pulverizes whole fruits, vegetables, and ice into silky smooth blends in seconds. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or creamy dips, this blender ensures that you achieve optimal blending results for a variety of recipes. It comes with a variety of blending cups, including a 72-ounce pitcher and two 24-ounce cups with spout lids. This allows you to customize your blending experience based on your needs, whether you're preparing a large batch for the family or a single-serve drink for yourself. The cups are made from high-quality BPA-free materials and are designed for easy pouring and sipping on the go. One of the impressive features of the Ninja BN-401 is its smart and intuitive Auto IQ technology. This technology takes the guesswork out of blending by offering pre-programmed settings that deliver consistent results at the touch of a button. With intelligent blending programs, such as pulsing, blending, and pausing, you can achieve precise textures and flavors without any manual adjustments. Lastly, we have the ZWILLING Enfinigy. The ZWILLING Enfinigy is equipped with a powerful 1,400-watt motor, ensuring smooth and efficient blending of a wide range of ingredients. From fruits and vegetables to nuts and ice, this blender can handle it all with ease, producing silky smooth textures and maintaining the nutritional integrity of your blends. One of the remarkable features of the ZWILLING Enfinigy is its unique touch control panel. The intuitive touch buttons allow for effortless operation, making it easy to choose from different speed settings or select one of the pre-programmed blending programs. With a simple touch, you can achieve precise control over your blends and enjoy consistent results every time. The blender comes with a high-capacity 64-ounce Triton jar, allowing you to prepare large batches of smoothies, soups, and more. The jar is not only durable but also BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your blends. The lid features a removable measuring cap, allowing you to add ingredients while blending without any mess or spillage. The ZWILLING Enfinigy also features an innovative self-cleaning mode. With just a touch of a button, the blender will automatically clean itself, saving you time and effort. The blades are also removable, making cleaning even more convenient and thorough. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.